This is a huge opportunity for your practice to grow in 2026. Right now, tens of thousands of people who've lost weight on medications like Ozempic and Wegovy are Googling solutions for something called Ozempic Face. They're actively searching for treatment options and they're looking for before and afters. They're ready to spend money with a provider that they trust first and foremost. But if your practice doesn't have content optimized for that exact search term, you will never show up. And that means every single day, qualified, motivated patients are choosing someone else. Not because their marketing is better, but because they were smarter with their strategy. At Alpha Key Digital, we saw this trend early and built a fully optimized SEO page specifically for Ozempic Face Treatment for one of our plastic surgeon clients. It's not a generic facelift page, it's not a vague blog post, it wasn't written in complete AI, and it's written in the language that patients are actively searching for. And because we did that, leads started coming in right away. And here's a quick example. Someone who lost 130 pounds on a GLP med felt insecure about their face, searched for Ozempic Face, and found our client. They reached out about procedures and pricing, and you know the rest. The rest is history. It's a real future patient, but it came from strategy. And that's what most practices are missing. You're not losing business because you're bad at what you do. You could be losing business because patients can't find you at the moment when they need you most, and they don't know that you do this procedure. So the practices that can win in 2025 and 26, they're not the ones doing the most content. They're not the ones dancing on social media. They're not the ones who are just spending their time not really putting great content out. They're the ones with a strategy that converts. So if you want patients that are coming to you, not because you're yelling the loudest, but because you showed up exactly when they needed help, then we should definitely talk. Book a discovery call using the link in the description, or just comment the word growth and I'll reach out to you personally. We'll have a quick 15-minute conversation, hear about where you're at and where you want to go. Because if your practice doesn't become the answer that patients find on Google or AI overviews, I guarantee your competitors will.